Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever have those days, or maybe even weeks, where everything just feels heavy? Like you're carrying a weight on your shoulders, and you're not even sure where it came from. It's a feeling I think many of us, especially here in Australia, can relate to. The hustle of work, the constant stream of news, family responsibilities, it all adds up. And when it does, it's so easy to just push through, telling ourselves to toughen up. But what if, instead of pushing harder, we tried something a little gentler? Today, I want to guide you through a simple, non-religious spiritual practice that I call a gentle inner check-in. This isn't about finding some grand cosmic answer, but about creating a quiet moment to connect with yourself. It's about acknowledging how you're truly feeling, without judgment. This is your time. You don't need any special equipment, just a few minutes of quiet where you won't be disturbed. So, let's start. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. You can close your eyes if that feels right for you, or just soften your gaze. Let's begin by taking a few deep, conscious breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand, and exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of any immediate tension. Do this a couple more times. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale peace, and exhale the noise. Now, I want you to bring your awareness to your body. Just notice it. Start from your toes and slowly scan your way up. How do your feet feel? Are your legs tense? What about your stomach? Often we hold our stress in our bodies without even realizing it. Notice your shoulders. Are they hunched up around your ears? If they are, gently let them drop. Feel the release. Notice your jaw. Is it clenched? Allow it to soften. Just observe these physical sensations without needing to change them, simply acknowledging them. This is your body communicating with you. With that same gentle awareness, let's turn inward to our emotions. I want you to ask yourself a simple question. How am I really in this moment? And then just listen. Don't force an answer. Maybe you're feeling tired, frustrated, or even numb. Whatever comes up, let it be there. We spend so much time telling ourselves how we should feel, but right now, let's just honor how we *do* feel. There's no right or wrong emotion. If you're feeling overwhelmed, just acknowledge it. Okay, I'm feeling overwhelmed. That's it. You're not trying to fix it, you're just meeting yourself with acceptance. This simple act of naming your feeling can be incredibly powerful. It takes the power out of the emotion and gives it back to you. Now, let's go one layer deeper. Ask yourself another gentle question. What do I need right now? Again, just listen for the first thing that comes to mind. It might be something simple. Maybe you need a glass of water, a 5-minute break to look out the window, a good stretch, or a hug. Perhaps you need to say no to something later today. It could also be a need for quiet, for creative expression, or for connection with a friend. Your inner wisdom often knows exactly what you need to feel a little lighter, a little more balanced. We just have to get quiet enough to hear it. Don't dismiss what comes up, no matter how small it seems. The simplest things are often the most profound. This whole process is about treating yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a dear friend. When a mate is having a tough time, you wouldn't tell them to just get over it. You'd listen, you'd offer support, you'd ask what they need. We need to learn to offer ourselves that same compassion. This gentle check-in is a practical way to do just that. It's a pause button on the relentless pace of life. A moment to come home to yourself. So, as we bring this short practice to a close, take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, thank yourself for taking this time, for showing up for yourself. You can do this check-in anytime you feel that heaviness creeping in the car before you walk inside, at your desk for 2 minutes, or before you go to sleep. It's a tool that's always available to you. It's not about escaping the weight of life, but about building the inner strength and awareness to carry it with more ease. I truly hope this was helpful. If you found some value in this little practice, maybe give this video a like and consider subscribing for more content on simple, practical spirituality for modern life. I'd love to hear in the comments what came up for you. What did you notice? What do you need today? Sharing our experiences can make us all feel a little less alone on this journey. Thanks for being here. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.